In this video class, I am going to discuss about vector triple product. Vector triple product, that is A bar cross B bar cross C bar. Here, how to expand that one? A bar cross B bar cross C bar. Here, do say parts. Here, A bar dot C bar into B bar. How to remember that one? That is not the rule. First you can take the longest one, next shortest one. A bar dot C bar into B bar minus A bar dot B bar into C bar. Here also this is the dur to say parts. A bar dot C bar into B bar minus B bar dot C bar into A bar. Next here, what is A bar cross B bar cross C bar? Is a vector lying in the plane of B bar C bar and perpendicular to A bar. Here, this is the vector perpendicular to both A bar and B bar cross C bar also, perpendicular to A bar, perpendicular to A bar. So, A bar cross B bar cross C bar, that is the vector lying in the plane containing B bar comma C bar. Here, first problem. Find the vector of length 3 units which is perpendicular to I cap plus j cap plus k cap and lies in the plane of these two vectors. Here already I told you starting, the vector which is perpendicular to A bar and lies in the plane of B bar comma C bar, that is nothing but A bar cross B bar cross C bar only. So this one I am taking A bar, this is B bar, C bar. So A bar cross B bar cross C bar, that is equal to A bar I j k cross B bar cross C bar. You can find the cross product of these two. How to find the cross product? Determinant of I j k 1 1 1 2 minus 3 0 and expand that one. Here you can expand that one, there you can get one vector and again do the cross product with this one. Here how to get this one? I into 3 minus j into minus 2 plus k into minus 3 minus 2 minus 5. Next again ijk 1 1 1 3 here jk 3 2 minus 5. Again do that one and simplify. Here we can get minus 7 I cap plus 8 j cap minus k cap. That is A bar cross B bar cross C bar. This is the vector perpendicular to this one and the lies on the plane containing these two vectors. Now here what they are asking, find the vector of length 3 units. First to find the unit vector. First to find the unit vector. How to find the unit vector in the direction of A bar cross B bar cross C bar? Unit vector, that is equal to, that vector should be divided by its modulus only, root of 49 plus 64 plus 1. That is the square root of 114. Now required vector, that is equal to required vector of length 3 units. This is the unit vector. So that should be multiplied by 3 minus 7 I cap plus 8 j cap minus k cap by root 114. This is the vector, its modulus should be 3. Next, second one, prove that I cap cross A bar cross I cap plus like that is given. We have to show that the total value is equal to 2 A bar. Otherwise, here you can take the options A bar, 2 A bar, 3 bar, 4 A bar also. Now, here I am taking A bar. Let A bar is equal to x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap. Next, do the cross product with I cap. So here A bar cross I bar, that is equal to I j k x y z 1 0 0. Here I coefficient 1, j k 0 so. So how much we are getting here? I into 0 minus j into minus 2 plus k into, sorry, this is z, k into minus y. So z j cap minus y k cap, we are getting that one. That one may be lengthy process. Instead of that one, we can change the procedure. This one I am taking I cap cross a bar cross I cap. You can expand. What is the vector triple product here? Longest one. The dot product of these two, I cap dot I cap into a bar minus shortest one, I bar dot product with the shortest one, I cap dot a bar into I cap. Here I bar dot I bar, that is I cap dot I cap, that is modulus of I cap square, modulus of I, that is 1 into a bar minus, now dot product with a bar. Here I cap dot x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap. How much we are getting? The product of these two 1 into x, x only, x into I cap we are getting. Here I and j both are mutually perpendicular, its dot product 0, I into k also 0. So for first one I got this one. For the second one, similarly we can write the remaining all. Here j cap cross a bar cross j bar, that is equal to a bar minus y into j cap. We can write k cap cross a bar cross k cap, that is equal to, here we can write a bar minus z k cap. By adding these three, this is the required LHS part only, that is equal to a bar plus a bar plus a bar 3a bar minus of x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap. I have taken a bar, that is equal to 2a bar. So by expanding this one we can get it easily. Next one, a bar, b bar, c bar are non-coplanar unit vectors, non-coplanar unit vectors, such that a bar cross b bar cross c bar equals to b bar plus c bar by root 2 is given. Then the angle between a bar and b bar we want. This one you can expand. How to write that one? A bar dot c bar into b bar minus a bar dot b bar into c bar, that is equal to 1 by root 2 into b bar, if I write separately here, plus 1 by root 2 into c bar. Now here comparing the coefficients only. Here b bar coefficient 1 by root 2, here b bar coefficient a bar dot c bar, that is equal to 1 by root 2, and minus of a bar dot b bar, that is equal to 1 by root 2. Otherwise here a bar dot b bar, that is equal to minus 1 by root 2 we can say. Angle between a bar and b bar, angle between a bar and b bar you can take theta. So cos theta, that is equal to a bar dot b bar upon modulus of a bar into modulus of b bar. A bar dot b bar, how much we got? 1 minus 1 by root 2 by, here these two are the unit vectors only, non-coplanar unit vectors, modulus of a bar equals to modulus of b bar equals to modulus of c bar equals to 1. So how much we are getting? Minus 1 by root 2. Negative in the second quadrant, pi minus pi by 4, that is 3 pi by 4. Cos 3 pi by 4 we can get minus 1 by root 2. Next one, a bar, b bar and c bar is a vector such that a bar dot c bar equals to modulus of c bar, and modulus of c bar minus a bar equals to 2 root 2. Angle between a bar cross b bar and c bar is 30 degrees. Then the value of this one. Here modulus of, otherwise here the cross product I am doing. What is the cross product of this one? This one you can consider A, this one consider B. A bar cross B bar, modulus of A bar, modulus of C bar, and sine of angle between these two, that is also given, sine 30 degrees, that is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 modulus of A bar cross B bar into modulus of C bar. So here A bar, B bar, two vectors are given. Here you can find out A bar cross B bar, that is equal to I J K. 2 1 minus 2 1 1 0, that is equal to I into so 2 I cap minus 2 j cap plus k cap. What about it? It's modulus. Modulus of A bar plus B bar, that is equal to root of 4 plus 4 plus 1, that is equal to 3. So 3 by 2 modulus of C bar. So total value depends upon 3 by 2. Modulus total value depends upon modulus of C bar. Here we use this condition also. This condition completed. Here A bar, B bar also I used that one. And one more is there. These two conditions I did not use that one. So by using the two conditions we may get a modulus of C value. This one I am taking squaring on both sides. By taking the squaring on both sides, modulus of C bar square minus 2 into A bar dot C bar plus modulus of A bar square, that is equal to 2 root 2 is given. 8, that one. By taking the squaring on both sides, this one becomes 8. Modulus of C bar square minus 2 into A bar dot C bar value is given, that is modulus of C bar, plus modulus of A. What is the modulus of A? That is the square root of 4 plus 4 plus 1, that is 3 only. 3 3s are 9 plus 8 is equal minus 8, that is equal to 0. So modulus of C bar square minus 2 into modulus of C bar plus 1 equals to 0. This is the perfect square. Modulus of C bar minus 1 whole square, that is equal to 0. So modulus of C bar should be equal to 1. So that is equal to 3 by 2. That is the here, that is the second option. Next one, A bar, B bar, C bar be three non-zero vectors such that no two of them are collinear, and this is given. So here if I expand this one, we can compare in the A bar coefficients also. How to write this one? A bar dot C bar into B bar minus B bar dot C bar into A bar, that is equal to 1 by 3 modulus of B bar into modulus of C bar into A bar. So here A bar coefficient minus of B bar dot C bar, that is equal to 1 by 3 modulus of B bar into modulus of C bar. Comparing the A bar coefficients. Now, what is the B bar dot C bar? Modulus of B bar, modulus of C bar, cos of angle between B bar and C bar, I am taking theta 1. Theta is the angle between vectors B bar and C bar. I have taken theta. Already given, so you can write theta 1. That is equal to 1 by 3 modulus of B bar into modulus of C bar. Here we can cancel these two. So cos of theta, that is equal to minus 1 by 3. You can take the right angle triangle. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. This is a 2 root 2. So sin theta is equal to, maybe here theta negative means negative second quadrant. A bar dot B bar, theta lies in between 0 to pi. Theta belongs to second quadrant. In the second quadrant, sin is positive only. What about sin value here? 2 root 2 by 3. Here in the A bar dot B bar or A bar cross B bar, theta always lies in between 0 to 180 degrees. So here cos is the negative means the second quadrant. Theta is obtuse pi by 2 to 180, but sin is positive in the second quadrant. So here we can write a positive value. So fourth option we can get. Next one, the vectors A bar and B bar are not perpendicular to C bar and D bar. Two vectors satisfying B bar cross C bar is equal to B bar cross D bar. And A bar dot B bar equals to 0, then D bar is equal to, here four options are given. Now, here what I am taking, A bar dot B bar cross C bar, that is equal to A bar dot, otherwise A bar cross B bar cross C bar equals to A bar cross, here B bar cross C bar, what they given, B bar cross D bar is given. Here this one I have taken A bar cross B bar cross C bar, that is equal to A bar cross, in the place of B bar cross C bar you can substitute B bar cross D bar only. Here you can expand this one, A bar dot C bar into B bar minus A bar dot B bar into C bar, that is equal to A bar dot D bar into B bar minus A bar dot B bar into D bar. Now this one you can transfer this side, remaining two terms you can transfer that side. So here A bar dot B bar into D bar, that is equal to A bar dot D bar into B bar minus A bar dot C bar into B bar plus A bar dot B bar into C bar. We got that one. Here this value already given, A bar dot B bar, that is 0. So you can write down the positive value first, A bar dot B bar into C bar minus A bar dot C bar into B bar. Here D bar is equal to, this is the scalar, but A bar dot B bar is not equal to 0. Why? Because A bar and B bar not perpendicular is given. So A bar dot B bar never equals to 0. You can transpose this here. A bar dot B bar. You can write separately. This one by this one, these two gets cancelled. Here we can get C bar minus A bar dot C bar by A bar dot B bar into B bar. So here third option, that is the correct one. Next one, if modulus of A bar equals to 2, modulus of B bar equals to 3, A bar dot B bar is equals to 0, then the value of this one we want. This is equals to, four options are given. First I am finding the value of A bar cross B bar, that is equals to, expand this one, A bar dot B bar into A bar minus A bar dot A bar into B bar. A bar dot B bar 0 is given, so this is 0 minus A bar dot A bar, that is modulus of A bar square, modulus of A 2 square 4 into B bar. Next find the total value. A bar cross, this total A bar cross A bar cross A bar, how much I got? 4 B bar. So total value of that one. This one we can write it. L A bar cross M B bar, we can write L into M. A bar cross B bar also. So minus 4 into A bar cross B bar we can write. A bar cross B bar we can write. So minus 4 into A bar cross B bar, how to expand that one? Otherwise here A bar cross B bar. Sorry, here I copied a question wrongly. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 A bars are there. Otherwise we can't get that one. So this one completed. Next find the value of Here A bar cross A bar cross. What is the value of this one? Minus 4B bar. So that is equal to, this one I can write minus 4 into A bar cross B bar. Now that one you can expand. A bar dot B bar into A bar minus A bar dot A bar into B bar. A bar dot B bar, that is 0, minus A bar dot A bar, that is modulus of A bar square, that is 4, into B bar, that is equal to 16. Something wrong. So here what we got, 16 B bar. 16 B bar, this is correct one. But here options I have written wrongly. These are the caps, not bars. These are the caps only. Here I got a 16 B bar. So how to write that one? 16 into B bar by modulus of B bar, multiplying and dividing with the modulus of B bar, that is equal to 16 into modulus of B bar, that is 3. B bar by modulus of B bar, that is B bar, B cap. The unit vector in the direction of A bar, that is A bar by modulus of A bar, that is A cap, unit vector. Unit vectors are given. So this is 48 B bar. 48 B cap. So first option is the correct one. Next one. U bar, V bar are two unit vectors. If they are two unit vectors, means modulus of U bar is equal to modulus of V bar, that is equal to 1, such that here U bar cross V bar plus U bar, that is equal to W bar, and one more condition also given, W bar cross U bar, that is equal to V bar. Then the value of UVW we want. What is the UVW? U bar dot V bar cross V bar or W bar. So before finding this one, here we may get one relation. By using these two relations we can get one relation also. Here W bar cross U bar is equal to V bar is there. Here if I take the cross product with, this is V, cross product with U bar. So here we can write a V bar only. Now here you can do one thing. U bar cross V bar cross U bar. U bar cross U bar, that is 0. Here we can write V bar. Now this one you can expand. U bar dot U bar into V bar minus V bar dot U bar into U bar, that is equal to V bar. This is 1. U bar dot U bar, that is modulus of U bar square, that is modulus of U bar, that is 1. 1 square 1. V bar minus V bar dot U bar into U bar, that is equal to V bar. These two gets cancelled. Minus V bar dot U bar into U bar, that is equal to 0. Here modulus of U bar, unit vector such that it's U bar is a non-zero vector only. Why? Because it's here we got modulus 1 is not given. Its modulus is 1, so this is not a zero vector. So the product is equal to 0 means here cross product should be equal to U bar dot V bar, that should be equal to 0. Here we got one relation. Now here we want the value of this one, box UVW. How to write that one? That is equal to U bar dot, here how to expand that one? U bar dot V bar cross W bar, that is equal to, here U bar dot V bar cross. What about W bar? That is equal to U bar cross V bar plus U bar. That is equal to U bar dot, here V bar cross U bar cross V bar plus V bar cross U bar. V bar cross U bar. Now here you can see that is equal to U bar dot, here expand that one, V bar dot V bar into U bar minus V bar dot U bar into modulus of V bar V bar, shortest one, longest one, plus V bar cross U bar. That is equal to U bar dot, this is 1 into U bar minus, here V bar dot U bar, that is equal to 0, here also V bar plus V bar dot U bar is there, U bar dot U bar, that is what is the value of that one? U bar dot U bar, modulus of U bar square, modulus of U bar square, that is 1, plus U bar dot V bar cross U bar, that is box UVU. So its box that should be equal to 0 only. So how much we are getting? 1. Next one, let modulus of A bar equals to root 3. This is a JEE 2020 question. Modulus of B bar equals to 5, B bar dot C bar equals to 10. Angle between B bar and C bar is equal to 60 degrees. If A bar is perpendicular to B bar and C bar, then the value of this one we want. We want the value of that one. Modulus of A bar cross B bar cross C bar, that is equal to, here this one you can consider A, this one you can consider B bar. A bar cross B bar, expand that one, modulus of A bar, modulus of B bar cross C bar into sine of angle between A bar and B bar cross C bar. Here A bar is perpendicular to B bar cross C bar is given. So 90 degrees we can write. Modulus of A bar, that is already given, root 3. So here we can write modulus of B bar, modulus of C bar into sine of angle between B and C. Here angle between B bar comma C bar, B bar comma C bar, we can get it that one. Here B bar dot C bar is equal to 10 is given. So modulus of B bar, modulus of C bar, cos of angle between B bar comma C bar, I am taking theta. Cos theta, that is equal to 10. Here modulus of B bar, modulus of C bar, sine of angle between B and C. Angle between B and C, that is given 60 degrees. Sine 60 degrees into sine 90 value 1. Here I expanded this one. Modulus of B bar, modulus of C bar, sine of angle between B and C, that is 60. So root 3 into modulus of B bar, that is 5. 5 root 3, sine 60 value root 3 by 2 into modulus of C bar. So that is equal to 3 5s are 15 by 2 into modulus of C bar. Here we got this value. And modulus of C bar, how to get that one? Here B bar dot C bar is equal to 10 is given. Modulus of B bar, modulus of C bar, cos of, what is the angle between B and C? The two vectors are 60. That is equal to 10. Modulus of B bar, that is 5 into modulus of C bar, cos 60 1 by 2, that is equal to 10. 5 2 times modulus of C bar, that is equal to 4. So 15 by 2 into 4, 2 times, that is equal to 30. That is the value of modulus of A bar cross B bar cross C bar. Here options are not given, means this is a integer type. Here next one, this is also JEE 2020 question. Let A bar, B bar, two vectors are given. If C is a vector such that B bar cross C bar equals to B bar cross A bar and C bar dot A bar equals to 0, then C bar dot B bar value we want. Here we will get a scalar only. Now here what is the condition given? B bar cross C bar, that is equal to B bar cross A bar, and C bar dot A bar equals to 0 also given. Here by taking a C bar equals to xi bar plus yj cap plus zk cap, here you will get one vector, there also we can get one relation between x, y, z. By solving also we can get, but that one takes more time, that is lengthy. Here what I am doing, taking a cross product with A bar on both sides. A bar cross B bar cross C bar, that is equal to A bar cross B bar cross A bar. Why we are taking? After writing one or two steps you can get idea also. Now see here how to expand this one. A bar dot C bar into B bar minus A bar dot B bar into C bar, that is equal to A bar dot A bar into B bar minus A bar dot B bar into A bar. Now C bar dot A bar, that is 0 is given. So in that place you can put 0. A bar, this is 0, and here minus A bar dot B bar into C bar, that is equal to, here these values are given. A bar dot A bar, that is modulus of A bar square. Here what about the modulus of A bar? That is root of 1 plus 4 plus 1, that is equal to root 6. Root 6 into B bar minus, modulus of A bar square. So 6 into B bar we can get. Next, A bar dot B bar, what is the dot product of these two? That is 1 plus 2 plus 1, that is 4 into A bar. 6 into B bar, 6 minus 6, 6 minus 4 into A bar, 4 minus 8, 4, that is 2, 2, 2. So minus A bar dot B bar, how much we got? 4 only. Minus 4 into C bar, that is equal to that one. So C bar is equal to 1 by minus 1 by 2 I cap plus j cap plus k cap. This one we got. Now what they are asking, C bar dot B bar. This is C bar, I got a C bar dot B bar. You can find the dot product of these two. C bar dot B bar, that is equal to 1 into minus 1 by 2, 1 into minus 1 by 2, minus 1 into minus 1 by 2, plus 1 into minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, that is minus 1, plus 1 by 2. So that is equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay, thank you.